In this video, I'll share how you can fix your Sceptre monitor with no signal problem. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check power first. Make sure the monitor's power cable is firmly plugged into both the monitor and the wall socket or power strip. Check if the power strip is switched on and try a different outlet just in case. Look at the power LED on the monitor. If it's off or flashing strangely, hold the power button for a few seconds to fully turn it off, then turn it back on. Step 2. Check video cable. Confirm the display cable is pushed in all the way on both the monitor and the PC. Unplug it, inspect the connectors for damage, then plug it back in firmly. If you have a spare cable, swap it to rule out a bad cable. Also, if your PC has a graphics card, plug the cable into the GPU's port, not the motherboard's port. Step 3. Match input source. Use the buttons on the Sceptre monitor to open the source menu. Slowly cycle through the options and pause a few seconds on each to see if the image appears. If your monitor has an auto option, select it so it can automatically detect the active input. Step 4. Power cycle monitor and PC. Turn off the monitor and shut down the PC completely, not just restart. Unplug the power cords from both devices and wait 20 to 30 seconds to clear any temporary glitches. Plug them back in, turn on the monitor first, wait a moment, and then power on the PC and see if the signal returns. Step 5. Check display settings on PC. If you're on Windows, press Windows plus P and choose Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen Only so the PC actually sends a signal to the monitor. Once you can see something, right-click the desktop, open Display Settings, and make sure the resolution and refresh rate are within what the Sceptre monitor supports. Apply the settings and confirm the image stays stable. Step 6. Test monitor with another PC. Connect the Sceptre monitor to a different PC using the same cable. If it works there, the original PC is likely the issue. Then do the opposite. Connect your main PC to a different monitor. If that also shows no signal or nothing at all, your PC or graphics card is probably the root cause.